Therapy Putty is one of my favourite resources. You can stretch it, you can squeeze it, twist it, and you can even break it apart. I like to hide little items in it to help with fine motor skills and hand strengthening, and then try and pull it back apart to find the small item. The Therapy Putty comes in different strengths. This one is medium, suitable for most kids from about kinder 4, even 3-year-olds up till probably grade 3 or 4 even. There is a tougher putty. This one is the firm. As you can see, it's a little more difficult to pull apart and takes a lot more hand strength to manipulate it. But just like the orange putty, it stretches, it pulls apart, molds back together again.